Alright, so S14's back in the shop. Jose finally brought it back after like, I don't know, all summer, because we had the 350Z in here, the Miata in here. So yeah, Jose's finally back. The other day we did a compression test on it, and it's not at the compression level it should be. I think he was saying 160, 170, but we have, all four cylinders have 119, so I'm assuming it's healthy in a way. I'm not 100% sure. We still got to do a leak down test. We don't know. In the last vlog, we put the S14 BC coils on, and that was pretty cool. Now the car's super low, and yeah, just another step closer to it being finished. We have so much to do. Also, I think I did say something about the red S14 outside. We are working on that. It's kids that brought it to us. Basically, we're just helping them out. I know with the car community and S13 and 14 chassis, there's a lot of assholes, including myself. I guess you just choose who you want to teach. I guess that's how it goes. But yeah, I like the kids, so we're basically helping them out. We bought that S14, actually traded his 350Z for that S14, and yeah, you can't get it to run. It only cranks over. We checked a couple things, and we noticed that he's not getting no fuel through his injectors. He has fuel coming out of the fuel filter and stuff like that. Fuel pump works. We can hear it click. We can hear it click. We also can hear the fuel rail. Not the fuel rail. The fuel relay click. So yeah, that's working, and the injectors are just super clogged, or they're just not working at all. So hopefully the kid gets some new injectors, and that fixes the issue. I'm pretty sure there's more, but he has a minty S14, just to let y'all know. But today we're gonna be painting the 1UZ and getting most of the gunk off. If you follow me on TikTok, that's what I've been doing. I've been working on this, trying to get it as clean as possible, so we can get ready for basically just a gasket rebuild. If I can find any, dude, it's so hard finding stuff for this engine that is gasket wise. I cannot find anything. So if you guys know any place, or like have part numbers, or if they have it in stock, let me know in the comments down below. That'll help me so much. I'd like to do just a full gasket and ARP head studs, and that's it, so I can throw this bad boy back into the 240 and try to get it to rip. Yeah, so I bought a VHT engine enamel paint, which can withstand 150 degrees of Fahrenheit. So yeah, so basically we're just gonna paint the engine block up all the holes and stuff like that. I probably will be taking off. I will probably only be doing these sides, because I'm not going to do the front right here. I can probably do right here the front of the oil sump, but I won't be doing the front because it's going to be covered by a timing cover and stuff like that, so there's no point of doing that. And yeah, so that's what we're doing in today's video. Alright, so I already got a bucket of water, so we can put the paint in there. Usually you do this just to break it all up. Get this bad boy open, and just like that. Woo, 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 woo. I bought some parts cleaner, and then I have some engine shampoo. E46s are such reliable cars. I don't care what anybody says. So reliable. So yeah, this bad boy right here. So right now, I'm gonna spray it down with some more engine shampoo degreaser. So there's little spots on here that I cannot get. So I'm gonna try my best to get everything, because the paint will not stick if it's a dirty surface. Remember that, boys and girls? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get in there. All over her. All over it. All over the 1UZ. There we go. Ooh, this stuff is strong. Stinky. here listening to goddamn devil music. So, we got the...
Hang on, devil music.
We got the engine all ready and prepared to start painting. We got a trash bag for the trash on the head. Now we can start painting. How many 240 chassis are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Hey, turn that shit down, motherfucker. Oh, I didn't hear you. Alright, here we go. You can turn the music. When I start painting, then you can go ahead and turn the music on. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, it's not working. Wait, it's not working. This dude decides to fucking paint his garnish, and they're like two different blacks. You got this nice pretty black, and you got this nice ugly black. I don't even know how it's gonna look. Watch it look really good. Oh my god, we're in a 240 graveyard and one E46. A Miata. I'm gonna get copyrighted because of Jose. Bam! Look at this. The block is black.
You got spots and drips everywhere.
It's black. Spots, drips everywhere. That's how we do it here. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and then we'll take off the trash bag and see how it looks.
I saw on another post.
$6,000 for a brand new one?
No, I saw on another one. It was $9,000. You have to pre-order it. It'll be 3 or 4 months before you can get it.
SR20 Power 2024. New SR20 coming out for $6,000. Fuck that. I got my engine right here. Alright, let's start to take this off. I'm scared. I'm so scared. There, that's it. We're taking off. That's all we're taking off. What'd you say? Why? Okay, he said do it when it's wet. He said fuck it, bucket. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Bye. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Dude, turn that shit off. I'm gonna get copyrighted, you goddamn. I can't even say it on here. What are you gonna say? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Dude, I got some on that pulley. You see it? This one right, that one right there.
Oh wow.
We got everything off? Damn, boy, you looking fresh. Woo, let's put some cinnamon. Damn, it came out pretty good, looking way better than it did before. All I need to do is find the timing fucking thing for it, and then it'll look A-okay. And then now we got to start cleaning the heads. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the heads myself. Not paint the heads, the valve covers. I don't know if I'm gonna paint them myself or take them to get it power coated, because I want to get the intake power coated as well too. He said I fucked it up. Clean, clean, clean. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon. Peace.